that's for.
Yeah.
Crack it up. Yeah, that's exactly what that's for. Got a handy square, so you can put your thing, do that.
Put your wrench. The engine is in. She's so close to being finished. The only thing that's holding it back was...
From the streets of the USA.
Suspensions. Oh, you're selling this? This guy will never give you that, never again.
Well, what are they, AMR?
So it's AMR engineering.
Yep.
These are custom made for you.
.com.
Why did you get these? Just...
He's a cool guy.
And this is a special coating that they put on just for you. Anodizing. I'm just rubbing it like that now, it might do something. When's the car going to be finished?
Can I just make a quick shout out to Andy Ray?
Andy Ray.
I can't look at him. Look up your nostrils, you doing that.
Come on, Barry, relax, it's grand. Barry loves being on camera. Well, your car looks... average. Take two on this. I'm going to unedit all this and put it in. Alright, the lads aren't looking. You're looking. What are you doing?
Okay. Let's make a shout out to Andy at AMR Engineering.
You don't need to do the accent.
Oh, I don't know.
No, go on, do it. So AMR Engineering, custom made suspension for you all the way from America.
Assembled in the USA using world products. They're
Out.
going big now.
Are they? Well, they look fucking...
It's not their main venture.
Right.
Hey,
Tell me more about the company.
you can see good about the quality of them.
They look
Anyway,
great.
Where's my spanner gone? This is my favourite piece of the whole situation.
Instead of 2 or 3 on the C-spanner, you got 4.
And a place for a 3/8 wrench.
What are we running here then, Barry?
An RB26 wannabe.
You're an RB26 wannabe.
You said it.
Oh yeah, so it is an RB25 spec too.
Yeah, it is. And this is a turbo.
GT30 76R.
What kind of horsepower are you hoping for?
Do about 500 at the wheels.
Nice.
That's nearly there.
It is nearly there.
The wheels are on there.
Yeah, I know, sure, if the wheels are on.
I like this though, Barry. This has really got me going. This is
Yeah.
fucking...
Who made that for you?
some fella, some cunt.
You didn't make that, did you? The wheels are delicious. You got these from Japan. I love the fact that you didn't mean to go this far with the car at all.
I just get a new clutch, that's the only reason.
The only reason why the engine came out, yeah. A new clutch turned into this. Yeah. Because in one of the videos, the car was freshly painted, and then you went to a drift day, and then the car was taken off the road about 2 weeks later, and that was it. And then this happened.
It slowly happened.
Slowly. Very rapidly. Yeah, if the boys in Plum Garage could only see it now. Japanese people don't care about us at all. We'd be just like...
They're only a garage, not an auto garage, just a garage that service things.
Well, they put their fucking sticker on the back window, so...
Because it says Plum Garage, produce of Garage Daisio.
Right. Garage Daisio. Yeah. Well, Barry is looking well. Nice, he's got the old GTR over fenders on her. The black rivets, very tidy touch. I'm sure we'll do a full video on it when she's done. Well, the man from...
Andy
from A&R Engineering, Barry just wanted to say thank you, and we really like the look of these. How much were the tyres, Barry? 800 quid.
Some sound of grip off them.
They're very nice.
Don't smell a grip off.
Some sound.
Triple eights all around, boy. Triple eights all around.
Can't wait to fucking break a fucking diff with them.
Now we're going to install the...
Did he make it, Barry?
Did
he make it? Take out the nuts off the top of the top of it.
It's great to have everyone around here to...
He is sicking.
Go.
Whoa! This your button. You put this out.
Just push it the fuck out.
You put this button
You know
up.
how to use it. Come on. It's all up as well, right? All up. Oh my god.
He put that on it.
Of course he did.
It's not all down though.
Oh, yeah.
Did you?
Nice.
Just say
I
it.
did it. It's okay, lads. I did
Spread
it.
the card team.
Right now, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm gonna leave. Smash. That's what happened.
Smash. Well, I got my car running
Yes.
and I put it on the ground and I drove it out the road.
It was too low.
Yeah, and 10 minutes later this happened.
Nice. So you blew the sump clean off the engine.
Literally smashed it to pieces. That's going to break off. Like.
Yes. And now you've raised the engine.
Yeah, and got a new sump.
A new sump.
That's just great.
What are you doing? Just throwing in an old seat?
I have to give the missus a spin, you know what I mean?
It's a head.
Just zoom in here. Stop.
And look, lovely colours.
Yeah.
Oh,
Try and HDR it up there. High dynamic Richard. We're way too easily amused. Sounds and looks great. All the work paid off.
Still some teething issues.
Yes, yes. But
Like that. Free chat.
full chat, lad. Alright, I'll get out and what's that? Yeah, so Josh has put a E36 M3 engine into his E30 that he bought, and now he's going to do a flyby for me because he's really excited because he put trumpets on it and it sounds fucking amazing. That's so good. Oh man, it's the best sound ever. It's so good. It sounds incredible. Honest to God, and it looks so nice driving past. You happy? Look how happy you are. It's the happiest I've ever seen you in your life.
So fucking good.
You did a great job. This is the best fucking combination ever. Well done. Well fucking done. Yeah. Flyby is ridiculous.
Just making sure everything's okay.
want to go really.
Well done, Josh.
Thanks, lads.
Try to open this.
Yeah,
Flip fucked it on me.
I didn't. I was giving it like that.
Stab it with a screwdriver and it'll all blow up in your face.
It's just a lot of lever.
It's a good crawl, like you will sort.